Hey there guys, it's GamerToy108, and today I bring back with me a toy gun. I can't remember what it's called. I think it's like a Army Force, something like that, from Toys R Us. You may see some other videos with this and stuff. It contains, well, still got the demo batteries in it. And so this is how it fires, and if you can see, this bit moves back, fires, and also it's got like a reloading noise, like there you go. Sounds like a car, but there you go. And yeah, that's really all there is to it, but I think it's pretty cool. And let me just see if I can get you to see the moving back. But yeah, thanks, bye.